How to add another W-2 form in TurboTax. So first you will need to go to TurboTax and sign into your account. And then from the left side panel, you can go to the income section if you see it here. Hover over it and then select wages and salaries. And then when you continue through this process, it will ask you to add another W-2 or a new one if you don't have one already. You can also go to the documents section from here and then click on add tax docs with the correct year selected from here. Click on add tax docs and then click on either import if you want to import it automatically, or you can upload files if you want to. And then you want to select job wages or salaries from W-2, continue. And then you'll need to enter the employer ID number or the federal ID so that you can import it directly from your employer. And then you'll press continue, review the totals and make sure everything is included. And then you should continue your return filing. You can add as many W-2s as you have. They will all get combined into your total income automatically. You can also upload a scanned copy from your device directly if you can't import it from your employer, or your employer does not support automatic imports. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.